got spicy tuna.
So we're here at Honolulu Poke Bar for lunch.
Spicy tuna.
Spicy tuna? Ooh, yeah. Cool. I gotta get the picture. Woohoo! Honolulu Poke Bar!
It was yum.
That was our lunch on our little Valentine's Day excursion. We're gonna go to Shields next. Woohoo! Get some hot sauce.
You driving?
Oh. He backs up. Oh, you're so cute. Oh, there's a pretty little guy. Cool. Oh, there's two now. Are you guys married? There's some new ones. Alright, where'd we go? Quack, quack. You know it. Here's our oysters. Yum. I didn't try it. Okay, so crackers? Crackers or just shoot it? Let's do these first.
Okay. These are the Pimliquids.
Okay.
Okay.
So a little bit of this. Put some lemon on it.
Okay.
And then do you want a little cocktail
You
sauce?
want the small one?
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm gonna take a little cocktail sauce, a little horseradish. I'm gonna put a little hot sauce in there. Oh yeah.
Oyster shakes are good there?
I haven't tried them yet. I think they're about to though.
Cool. Okay, here we go.
What's this? Do you want some of this in there?
What the heck?
They should already be.
Oh,
They should already be unattached, right?
okay. Ready? Yum. That was good. Alright. That was good on there.
Was it?
Whatever that is, yeah. Just a couple drops.
Whoa! You went crazy with it.
Oh, you got your nose out of it.
I like that horseradish.
I know. And then we're gonna cheers once you're ready. Okay, here we go.
I'm doing it.
Cheers, cheers.
Oyster cheers.
Woo!
That horseradish.
Ooh, that was
Okay,
good though.
those were good.
Those are good. Those are really good. This is our crab wonton dip. Cool. Is that good? Okay, that's really good.
Yeah, it is. Boy, those Brussels sprouts are.
All right, here's Don's meal.
I got polenta. I don't forget what the sauce was, but these are my Brussels sprouts, and they're pretty. Brussels sprouts and bacon. They're pretty cooked up.
Okay.
And I got my grilled mahi.
Mahi. Okay. Your potatoes look good.
That polenta.
Oh. And then mine is the swordfish with macadamia nut crust.
No, macadamia nut pesto.
Oh, okay.
And then what's this?
Let's see. Some kind of a sauce, I guess, over here. Okay. Well, I'm going to try it. Let you know.
Well, can I have my fork back?
Yes. Oh, that's like a steak. Wow, nice.
Is that everything we need there for the moment? Doing good? Very good. Can I
so
get
far, so
another
good.
dirty martini and you want another glass of Riesling?
Sure, sure. Ooh, you know what makes it? What that is.
That orange stuff?
How's yours?
Very good.
Good?
Go ahead.
Sure.
You want some Brussels sprouts?
I'm good.
They're pretty baked up.
Are they?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Ooh, that's good. A little spicy. Okay.
Man, I want to go to Fort Collins.
That was an awesome dinner.
We got cookies.
We got cookies. Right. Oh. downtown Fort Collins. And what a pretty city.